In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to activate Paramount Plus with Walmart Plus. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of Paramount Plus. Once the page loads, you will see the home page. Click the Sign In button in the bottom right corner. If you don't already have a Paramount Plus account, you can create one right here. It's not required beforehand, but having an account makes the activation process easier. Go ahead and sign in or create your account now. Then, open Walmart Plus website on the Walmart official site for connecting Walmart Plus with Paramount Plus. Now, go to your account page on Walmart Plus, look for your benefit hub, and select Walmart Plus if it is not already selected. Inside the benefit hub, you will see an option related to video streaming with Paramount Plus. Click how streaming works and then select Get Paramount Plus. Here, Walmart Plus will ask you to enter your email. Make sure you type the same email you used on Paramount Plus account so the services can link correctly. After confirming your information, the connection will be activated. Once everything is linked, you'll have full access to stream Paramount Plus as part of your Walmart Plus membership. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.